guys, it's me, Professor Smith or Miss Smith, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your sandwich cell membrane diffusion lab. So here we go, let's get into it. Alright, so here's what you're going to need. You're going to need Lugol's iodine, which is this brown solution right here, some starch, a plastic cup, and of course your sandwich baggie. So let's get into setting up the starch solution. So you could do this a number of ways. You have your bag of starch. You could either do this on a stove or you could do this in the microwave. All you're going to do is take your starch, put it into your container, pour some water. So I'm going to just do the stove version. Be careful if you are doing this at home. So I'm going to go ahead, turn my stove on. I've already put water in my starch, so I'm just going to go ahead, mix it up a bit. And the reason why we want to heat up the water and starch is so that way we get more of a cohesive or homogeneous mixture. And what that means is we want to make sure that the starch is no longer visible. We want it mixed in with those water molecules nice and beautifully. So we can just go ahead, if we're doing this on the stove, we're going to just get it to a nice simmer, swirl it around a bit, and then we can go ahead and turn it off and let it cool. While our starch solution is cooling down, let's go ahead and set up our iodine solution. So, just a friendly reminder, this is Lugol's iodine, and it is this brown solution. And here we have our cup. We want to fill our cup up with some water. So I'm going to just show you what Lugol's iodine is. Lugol's iodine is an indicator, and so what that means is, let me show you visually what I'm talking about. So we poured a drop of Lugol's iodine onto this potato. Now Lugol's iodine is brown, but if we look closely here at this potato, we see these black spots, right? There's black spots all over the potato. And so what this is a color change. So let me show you again on this piece of paper. So I've poured Lugol's iodine, and look, we get the same color. We get this color of black. Now, if I were to pour some Lugol's iodine onto myself, now please don't do this at home, but I'm just showing you as a demonstration that my skin doesn't turn black. So Lugol's iodine is an indicator for starch, okay? So keep this in mind. So now that we kind of have an idea of the color change, we're going to go ahead and pour our Lugol's iodine into our water and make sure we mix it nicely. Next, we're going to get our sandwich baggie, and we're going to go ahead and pour in our starch solution from before, now that it's cooled down. We're going to clean up any residue on the outside of the sandwich baggie, and then we can go ahead and now close up our Ziploc bag and put it in the cup. We want to go ahead and leave this in the cup for at least an hour, and once an hour is over, we can go ahead and look and see if there's any color change.